Welcome to part 6 of What is Chalk Couture? Where can I buy the products? The products are sold by independent designers, and we have a catalog. This is our new autumn-winter catalog. You can either ask a designer for a catalog. Usually you get one free with an order, automatically sent to you, of over $50. But you can also go to my website. You can shop now at chalkcouture.com/Beth Missler. And once you get there, you can maneuver in and out of the transfers that are available, the surfaces to chalk on, all the accessories and tools that you need, and find a small starter project that you would like to try. We have new Try Me kits. That would be something in the specials section of the store online. So if you check that out, maybe you'll find one you'd like to try. Thanks for watching.